I recently discovered a new niche that's going viral on TikTok. It's videos where cats explain things. Life hacks, tips, tricks, you name it. These videos are blowing up. Some get 4.9 million views, others 6.1 million, and the numbers just keep climbing. You'll also see dogs or other characters, but cats explaining stuff. That's the real trend right now. And the best part is, it's super easy to make these kinds of videos yourself with a simple AI workflow. Here's how it works. First, you go to an account that's already posting these cat explainer videos. Look for the ones that went viral and copy the link of the video you want to use. Then, head over to CastMagic, paste the link, and import it. Do this with a bunch of videos. Once they're in, you can open your recordings, select the videos, and even start a chat with them. Ask the AI something like, "Can you create a similar script?" And it will generate a brand new script in the same style as the viral ones. Now you take that script and bring it into ElevenLabs. Choose a voice you like from the library, and if you want a more professional sound, use 11v3. Paste in your script, click Generate Speech, and just like that, you've got your voiceover. The next step is creating your cat character. Go to Google and search for a cat image. It can be a meme or just a normal cat. Download it as a JPG or PNG, then open it in Photoshop. Create a new file sized 1080 by 1920, add a solid white background, place your cat, and resize it. Rasterize the layer, remove the background with one click in the Properties tab, clean it up with the brush tool, and then export it as a PNG. This will be your base image. Now go to OpenArt, upload the cat image you just made, select the Seedream model, and describe what you want. Maybe give the cat shoes, a hat, or a red t-shirt. You can make different poses based on your script. Download the images, and you're ready for the final step. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and start editing. Import your ElevenLabs voiceover, add a white color matte across the whole sequence, then drop in your OpenArt cat image and resize it. Use keyframes to animate the cat, for example, sliding it from left to center. If you want captions, Premiere makes it simple. Click on Captions, create them from transcript, and apply a style. Many creators use the font Comica because it matches the meme vibe. And that's all there is to it. With just these tools and a few simple steps, you can make the same kind of cat explainer videos that are going viral right now. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.